Hello students, in today's video I am going to tell you about the method of BODMAS. Here we have a sum like this as you are watching on your screen. We will solve it with the method of BODMAS. BODMAS means B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. We solve it step by step. Which come first, we will solve that first. Now in this sum we have two brackets. First of all, we solve the bracket, but there are two brackets, big brackets and this small bracket, this one. We will solve first small bracket, then we will write 450. In the small bracket, we will solve first division. 600 divided by 15, this one. We get 40, then multiplied by 8. Write the same digits, meant the same statement you can write. Now we will do, for solving this bracket, we have 40 multiplied by 8. Then we get 320. Now students, we will remove this bracket. This one, we have removed small bracket because we have got one number, 320. But this big bracket will remain. Now in the next line, we will solve this big bracket. For solving this bracket, 320 plus 80, we will add these numbers, 320 plus 80, 400. But before it, we have to remove this big bracket because there is one number 400. Then we will put sign of multiplication between these numbers, this one. Now in this line, we have to solve first multiplication, this one. 400 multiplied by 3, we get 1200. Now in this line, we have only add and subtraction. We'll take together positive signs. 450 plus 1200, we get 1650 minus 700. Now we have the answers 950. This is the answer. We solve these sums step by step with the method of BODMAS. I think you have understood this method. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment box and I will give the answer for your problems. Okay, now I have a sum for you to solve. You can try this sum. If you have any query about it, you can ask me. And if you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe to this channel also for more videos. Thank you.